Hey friends, if you wish to know more about the Windows security app and browser control settings, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and go to Windows security. Go to app and browser control on the list on the left hand side. So we have smart app control settings. Now usually it is set at the evaluation mode or it is select at the on mode. So you can select it accordingly. Okay. The next one is reputation based protection. So by default, smart screen for Microsoft Edge is on, and by default there is this option to check apps and files. It is on. You cannot even turn it off. And phishing protection is on, though you can turn it off. And put this unwanted app blocking. It is also turned on, and so is smart screen for Microsoft Store. Then we come to exploit protection. This is also turned on by default, in which control flow guard, data execution prevention, and randomization for images is on, which prevents calls, code being run directly from data only memory pages, and the control flow is being prevented. So, this is what it does. Also, there are certain applications which can be overridden using the same settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.